all as of now.
Got it, got it. And so what I'm understanding is that so you guys specialize in these AI generated ads for skincare products, right? And you create
Ads
like
as well as content as well.
content as
And
well.
basically, if I elaborate more specifically, then you see that UGC lead, product lead, it's not that AI CGI test, but it's more towards it like you saw some some UGC lead content. If you saw like if that serum is based on honey or something, then there is all over the honey over hand and something
Got
like
it.
that.
You're using the basically you're also theming the ad based on the theme of the product and the ingredients of the product.
Exactly.
I got that.
With
Yeah.
model as well and all like
Get a UGC
combined
model as well.
how that product is speaking to user and something
Got
like
it.
whole campaign. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Can you tell me like what are the like so like on now are you guys ready to like launch? Have you guys launched? Are you guys working with any brands at the moment?
We have launched. So basically, we can discuss like how we can collaborate, and then we will hop on like what the ranges and we will set up like as per that.
Perfect. Cool. So a couple of things, I guess. If you guys are ready to provide services, if that's the point of a time where we are at, then you can. I will need to know everything about your pricing packages, and I will start marketing and doing. I'll try to basically connect the dots and get you guys clients. All right. All right. For that, we can set up some sort of referral or a commission-based system or something like that. You guys can let me know, or I can add a markup and I can always remarket your services across to the clients. All right. I'll need to understand. I'll need to understand your product very well. All right, and exactly what's included in your service, so that there's no difference in the expectation setting when there's a client when I'm speaking to a client, like what I'm saying and what you would say should be the same, like exact same thing.
How about if I send you my exact, it's like a pitch deck, something like that, and then we can, of course, definitely that I'm using. So if we can do something like in pitch deck, I'm gonna specify more clarity, like with more clarity. So you can also directly show the client the pitch deck as well. So that they will be more better.
Yeah, no, fair enough. Pitch deck for sure. You can send me a pitch deck. We can make one. But I need to know it like internally, like exactly how this works. So, is it a service or is it a product? Like that's the first thing I would ask. Like, is this something?
This one is the service based as of now. So and yeah, for sure the tool based. So there is like huge different plannings for that.
Yeah.
So definitely it will take 1 month, but yeah, for sure we'll collaborate in that as well, like a period.
That's fine. Since I'm in the AI space, and I'm also doing something similar, not specifically what you're doing, but I'm also doing AI generated visuals and ads and stuff. But I don't choose to like niche down in the skincare. If that's a niche that you're picking, well and good. So we can definitely collaborate.
But
Wellness.
Beauty industry and wellness.
Perfect. Awesome. Perfect. Jewelry. Awesome. That's perfect. So because I'm speaking to a lot of clients and I'm connected with at least 50 brands in it's actually in the fashion and beauty space. So I have more people in the fashion, but in skincare also there are since I worked with Hindustan Unilever. We worked with almost every brand. So now it's just that I would have to speak with all their marketing managers and get a better idea of what your product is, and then it's all about how we package and position your product and service to clients.
Sure.
All right.
Definitely.
That is one thing. So when you're saying it's a service, so now just explain to me, like, if I was a client, right, how does this work? Like how would you go ahead and take me through the process?
If you are a client, then as I have definitely gone through with the content, like either you want for the promotion of your brand, you can opt the static visuals from charge static visuals from me and the either reads and stuff, and you can use it as a promotion content. It might be on my direct performance marketing and stuff.
Okay.
Another is for the feed content one. And another and last one, the category. So I have these three categories as of now. Like properly for the feed content, it includes definitely the feed calling, Instagram, whatever it is, like Facebook, Instagram, but mostly they prefer like for the content.
Okay.
For content
So you said there's static
and
visuals
another
and there's,
category.
what was the other thing you mentioned after static?
Yeah, one is the static one,
Yeah.
with and without model.
Okay.
As per the needs of, definitely as per the needs of client.
Got it. Yeah.
And
Yeah.
another is a UGC lead, that's like a 5 or 6 second of hook-based creative. It's definitely based on, completely based on what clients want. I mean,
Okay.
if
I
they
understood. I
want
understood.
modeling as well.
So
yeah.
what I'm
And
understanding is
another
that you guys
campaign
can do both. You guys can do static. You guys can do with a model,
Yeah,
without a model. You can do a UGC style video, right?
Yeah, definitely.
You can do just a video of just the product. That's what I'm understanding, right?
Yes,
Like
and
product.
campaign one is specifically for someone who is launching the new product as well. They need hype up something, hype up creatives like 10, 20 creatives for one product for hype up and promotional content and whole campaign from like BT vibe or something. You can also go through our archives actually. What campaign is about.
Yeah.
So that's another category. So basically, I have three categories as of now.
Okay. Acha, also one more thing. Where you guys based currently? At the moment.
Okay, I'm based out of Surat, Gujarat.
Surat. Okay, yeah, you mentioned that earlier. All right, cool.
Yeah.
All right, now the other thing is okay. Cool. Let's say I want a campaign launch. There are like 20 creatives. I'm assuming when campaign you're gonna give me a couple of statics, a couple of UGC, and maybe some product
Definitely,
videos
yeah.
as well. A little bit of everything essentially. What do you need from me?
Okay. As a client, I just need a good quality of photographs.
Okay.
Definitely. And I also want to see the vision and how they want to portray their product in the market.
Okay.
Can make out of it. This was for sure. Like because nowadays emotional branding stuff are definitely going on, so I want to focus more on that as well. For
Right.
clients. So yeah, that's the thing.
Okay, cool. So you want the vision, you want the creative direction of the entire thing.
Definitely, yeah.
Mhm.
And I'm also making sure that their product, that their details on the product don't mess up because it's AI. So there is one concern I've researched, like they are having the concern of the details of product like messed up. So that's why I have the solution that we can also get from packaging design from them, like the product packaging design, and we can edit as well. Because I have myself edited at Photoshop so that it won't be glowy.
Okay.
It's really real, like.
Got it. Okay, so basically, I understand that you'll be using AI, but you'll also give a level of Photoshop touch-up or like post production.
Definitely.
If yeah.
That's much because since AI software are not much sharp as of now, so definitely. So also they
Got it.
concern about the product details. So
No, fair enough. 100%. Like I'm sure that any brand owner wouldn't want their wrong product details or any artifacts on those on certain like 60 ml should not become 90 ml.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
That's the way.
Yep. Okay, cool. So you guys are doing post as well. All right. Tell me more about your team now. Like who's working on what? What's your team
So
size?
as of now, I have the developer who is handling the editing and testing part as well, and me and my co-founders. So we are 3 people of team as of now. And
Okay.
yeah, that's all. Yeah.
All right, cool, awesome. Sounds good.
Yeah.
All right, cool. And like, who does the Photoshop post production thing? Like, is it you or your co-founder?
No. She will not do it.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, actually all the creative direction and the video-based things I do usually.
Okay.
And other than that, it's handled by her only.
Okay, so you mainly handle creative direction, the vision,
Yeah, definitely.
all of that. And what's her name?
By the
No, I know your name. Or what's your co-founder's name?
okay, she's Yashvi.
Yashvi. And what does Yashvi do?
Anita, yeah.
Yeah.
She actually do these Photoshop thing and
Got it.
creative things and mostly the creation of such things and
Got
yeah.
it. Perfect.
He
Keep it done.
is into client serving as well.
All right.
Actually. So yeah.
Perfect. All right, guys. Perfect. Now,
Yeah.
let's do one thing.
Mhm.
Create the pitch deck. All right. Send it across.
Okay. Yeah.
Pricing packages. Also create this
Definitely, yeah.
a slide for that. All right. How you guys want to price and package. I will help you if I feel the pricing is. Yeah, if I feel there's anything that we should do, if we need to make tweaks in the deck, I will let you know overall. All right. Before going into a client meeting.
I want to also know
Yeah.
something like either way, because in the US market, I can definitely position it as a good pricing. But because I'm working in this industry since very long,
Yeah.
so I want to know that what would you being if you had such products, like what would be the ideal pricing you go for?
Sure. I think when you're going for AI assisted content creation,
Yeah, definitely,
people
definitely.
want to buy a package. See, I'll tell you two pricing models in India and abroad.
Okay.
All right. In
Okay.
India, I think you could charge anywhere between 3 to 5K for like a set of 6 to 9 posts. You could maybe do 5 statics and 4 videos, something like that, like a grid. Like think from a client's perspective. What does a client want?
It's whole of the
Yeah.
page, alright?
Yeah, like one. So like let's say if I'm a client.